What's up, guys? This is Nick. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a little butthurt here. I bought a sink off Amazon. It had really good reviews, and initially it was great, but I am noticing some rust spots in the corners, which is driving me insane. This was installed on Saturday, so what is that? Today's Thursday, so that's what, less than a week? We like that quick, easy math I just did. And as you can tell, and it does have dishes in the sink, but you see that little like dot there? It's got it on the same sides here. So obviously I'm reaching out to customer support and I'm gonna see what they can do here, but I definitely don't want to tear that sink out. I put a new garbage disposal. I ran, all this new faucets, everything. So I bought some gel I'm gonna try. It's rust removal gel. And we're gonna get the results real time, no filter, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go from there. But I don't recommend this sink. I'll put the link down below. It's got 5 stars on Amazon. It's an off-brand, so maybe just buy something from Home Depot or buy something that's not an off-brand, because it's not a big deal. They're not huge spots, but it's annoying the hell out of me. So let's do this. All right, so this product is down in the description. It's called Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver, okay? It says 30 minutes. I'm actually gonna just spray this on and put it on for 10. And then I'm gonna use, just water to wipe it off. Don't put a bunch, just put what you can to cover up the rust spots. It obviously says to remove any oil or grease or dirt or anything of that nature from the area. Let's go ahead, it says 10 to 30 minutes. I would go 10 minutes on more delicate stuff, stainless steel, things of that nature. And also, this isn't a ton of rust. If I had a ton of rust, I would use, I would go the full 30 minutes, but we're just gonna do 10. So let's look at this corner here. Let's check. As you can see, that little rust spot right there. This one, no rust spot. This one's got a very, very small rust spot, and this side, no rust spot. I don't know why, but that's the case. So I'm gonna move this so I don't spray this crap, because I have no idea what it is. It's rust dissolver. I don't know what's in it. It's probably some sort of acid or something like that. And I'm just gonna spray one little spray here in that corner. And then I'm gonna spray one little spray here in that corner. And now, and you know what? I'm gonna spray in this corner too, just in case there's some forming. We're gonna come back in 10 minutes and see what the results are. Let's do it. All right, y'all, moment of truth. It's been 10 minutes. I'm just gonna clean this off with water and then we're gonna go from there. All right, now I'm just gonna rinse it off and I'll show you the results with some water. And then I'm using a paper towel to dry it. And it looks great. I mean, there's 0 signs of rust anywhere. So I definitely recommend this product. I don't recommend the sink though. You should not have be rusting anything on stainless steel, but seems to be working great. So this video was useful for you. Again, this is Rust-Oleum Rust Removal Gel Formula. The link's in the description. And this video really is about when you get screwed on something, how you can fix it. For example, buying a sink that rusts, how do you remove the rust? So, if you want to learn how to remove rust easy, check this out. Thanks again. Peace.